Imagine this. It's 40 degrees Celsius outside. Your kids are sweating in the back seat and your car AC suddenly starts blowing hot air. Panic sets in. Why does this happen? Today, we'll decode your car's AC system, its secrets, and how to avoid costly disasters. Let's dive in. Your car AC isn't magic, it's science. It uses refrigerants, like R134A, that absorb heat from your car's cabin and dump it outside. Think of it as a heat vampire. Here's the step-by-step process. Technical details. Explain the refrigeration cycle. Compressor, condenser, evaporator, using a swallow a snowball analogy for refrigerant state changes. Did you know vintage cars used poisonous gases for cooling? From manual AC to climate control, we'll explore how systems evolved. Spoiler, modern ACs are smarter than your phone. Emotion, shock readers with the dangers of early refrigerants, e.g., methyl chloride. The compressor is the AC's heart, but the real heroes are hiding in the shadows. Compressor. The AC's engine. It pressurizes refrigerant gas, turning it into a hot, high-pressure liquid. Think of it as a bicycle pump heating up when you squeeze air. Receiver dryer. The bodyguard of your AC. It traps moisture and dirt, because even a drop of water can freeze and destroy the system. Emotional angle. Without the receiver dryer, your AC would cry itself to death. Literally. Your AC isn't broken, it's been murdered. Here's the forensic report. Refrigerant leaks. Tiny holes in hoses, like a balloon losing air, starve the system. Warning sign. Hissing noises. Clogged condenser. Dirt blocks the radiator. Imagine trying to breathe with a pillow on your face. Electrical faults. Corroded wires confuse the AC brain ECU. Result? Chaos. Emotional story. Maria ignored a hissing sound. It cost her $1,200. Don't be Maria. Technical details. Condenser cleaning. Use a soft brush, yes, a toothbrush, to remove dirt from the condenser fins. Why? Dirty fins equals 30% less cooling. Cabin filter replacement. Locate the glove box, unscrew 2 bolts, and swap the filter. Time, 10 minutes. Savings, $150. Pro tip, never use a high-pressure hose on the condenser. It bends the fins like spaghetti. Ignoring AC problems cost Tom his engine. Don't let this happen to you. Overheating engine. A failing AC compressor can drag the engine belt, forcing the engine to work 20% harder. Result? Overheating and a $3,000 repair. Mold growth. Stagnant moisture in the evaporator breeds mold. Symptoms, coughing, allergies, and a smell like wet socks. Emotional punch. Sarah's kids got sick because of a dirty AC. Clean yours now. Treat your AC like a pet. It'll love you back. Weekly AC run. Even in winter, this keeps seals lubricated. Think of it as stretching your muscles. Park in shade. UV rays turn rubber hoses brittle. Park under a tree. It's free sunscreen for your car. Fun fact. Using the recirculation mode cools 40% faster, but don't overdo it or you'll fog the windows. Your next car will know you're hot before you do. Biometric sensors. Cars like Mercedes EQXX monitor your body temp and adjust airflow. No more fighting over the AC. Solar-powered AC. Hyundai's solar roof runs the AC for free. Park in the sun to cool your car. Ironic, right? Emotional vision. Imagine a world where ACs heal the planet, not harm it. You've just unlocked the secrets of car ACs. Now go save money and sanity. Check your AC today. Listen for hissing, test airflow, and smell the vents. Share this video. Tag a friend who's suffering in a hot car. Sign off. Hit subscribe. We'll help you conquer every car problem, one cool video at a time.